In this video, I will show you how to do a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, go and open up your QuickBooks account. Then from here, what I recommend is just click on New in the top left. Then here under Other, you can click Journal Entry. And that will take you right here. Now here you can write the date. Now automatically it will just be set to today. Now right now it has 8 lines. For example, if you only need one, I recommend clicking on Clear All and then just click on Add Line because that will save you some time compared to having to delete all of them manually. However, just enter the account, you can click on the drop down as well and then you can see it right here. For example, cash and cash equivalents, opening balance equity, dividend disbursed, whatever you want to add it to. For example, I'll go with cash and cash equivalents. Now you can write the amount of debits and the amount of credits. You can add a description and a name right here. Now this name you can just add right here and then you can also use that later. So that's either a customer, supplier or employee. Now you can also write a memo right here and you can attach any files up to 20 MB. What you can also do is in the top right, click on import. And that means that you can import a CSV file onto the grid right here. Now, if it's in your downloads, you can also just drag it in right here. And then this should be entered automatically, but always check if all the columns are correct. So now you know how to do a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. So once you're done, you can either click Make Recurring in the bottom, or you can just go and click Save and New or Save. So now you know how to do a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.